So you've made the decision that you'd like to get a Kegerator, but which Kegerator is going to be right for you? There's a couple of things to consider. The budget, the space, the look of the Kegerator, the location where you're going to run the Kegerator, and of course the liters that you'd like to serve and store in your Kegerator. So from a budget point of view, the most affordable line of Kegerators that we have in the KegMaster range of Kegerators at Keg King are the Series 4 Kegerators. They're a small Kegerator that will still fit one large 50-liter keg, but they'll also fit three 19-liter kegs. They're affordable and they're going to work well for anybody who wants to put their Kegerator in their house or their man cave where it's a temperature-controlled environment that's not going to rock it up to 30 degrees or over. So not the kind of Kegerator that you want for outdoors, but definitely the kind of Kegerator you might want to start with for inside your house, your cafe, or your bar. And the next level up from Series 4 would be our KegMaster Series XL. They are the same footprint size as an S4, but they hold a little bit more inside. So a 50-liter keg will still fit inside of these, but also you'll be able to get four 19-liter kegs, what we call corny kegs or ball-lock kegs, will fit inside these as well. They have a bit bigger compressor, they're a little bit more energy efficient, they do the job a little bit better because they're a little bit more powerful than the Series 4. So you can also level them up so they look incredible, what we call the Prestige XL, which has a stainless steel top and an Ultra T font, giving you more space underneath the taps to be able to easily fill your drinks and beverages. So XL, the normal XL, and XL, the Prestige variety with a stainless steel top. Gives you a better look. Now both of these are fantastic Kegerators for anybody who wants to set up inside of a house, a bar, a cafe. These are great Kegerators for anybody in a temperature controlled environment where the temperatures aren't going to rocket up above 35 degrees. So if you're looking for a fridge with a bit more volume that can be used commercially, that can be used with a bit more space, and if you have that space, also if you're not just looking to set up in a home, which these are perfect for as well, but if you wanted to set up, let's say, in a food truck, a caravan, a boat, an RV, or even if you wanted to do like a mobile bar, this fridge, the KegMaster Solstice, has everything you need to be able to do that. Plus, because it comes with a 10 amp power pack, you could just use it as a larger Kegerator, either under counter or sitting out in your home, office, bar, wherever you'd like. It'll just plug into a normal 10 amp outlet. The space inside gives you the ability to plumb in whatever you'd like for your keg service. 50-liter keg and an extra 20-liter keg, or you can do 6 19-liter kegs. You can do two 30-liter kegs, a 19 and a 20-liter. It's up to you. It's got the extra space for you to be able to choose what you'd like to put inside, so the literage that you'd like to serve and the variety. It's all stainless steel. It's a level up from XL, and because of this, it has the flexibility and the performance that you would expect in a fridge of this size. Now, from a commercial point of view, or for people who have a lot of space and are thinking of making a pretty grand bar wherever, the Super Deluxe, KegMaster Super Deluxe range of Kegerators from Keg King are the highest performing commercial fridges that we offer. They have much bigger compressors, they have much larger space capacities. We have 2-door varieties, 3-door varieties, and of course a very easy to use single-door variety that will fit one 50-liter keg, whereas these larger varieties will fit an array of other kegs. So consider how much literage you'd like to serve to your guests or to your customers. These Kegerators will be able to hold much larger volume. They stay cold at much higher temperatures. They can be outdoor fridges, they can be indoor fridges for your indoor environments as well. They have much higher operating temperatures, which means that if you're in the north end, these fridges will work at 43-degree ambient temperature, no problem. They keep everything nice and cold, have font fans built in, they're all stainless steel construction. This means that you're getting a much higher quality, higher caliber fridge for your bar service dispensing needs. There's all sorts of ways you can plumb them out on top. They have built-in drip trays, locks on the doors. There's so many different features with Super Deluxe that again make them just that little level above everything else, so that with your choice, if you'd like to run with a lot more literage, and if you have the space, you can make the Super Deluxe into the bar at your place. So these are some of the things that you need to consider when you are looking for that kegerator that's right for you. Also consider where you live. If you live in a hot climate, you want a fridge that's going to perform. Solstice and Super Deluxe will work perfectly even when the temperatures are up above 40 degrees. Some of these other fridges are perfect for anybody who just wants to get a couple of beers on tap or even a single beer on tap in their own home cafe or bar. There's a lot of different things to consider, but where you'll be happiest is when you use the KegMaster Range and all of its features that are fantastic, like the Ultra Tap, the stainless steel shanks, the things that come with all the different packages. It's your kegerator. These are your decisions. We want to make sure that you have the best experience when you're using our range of kegerators, and so you get the best value for money when you get it from Keg King. And also remember, once you have beverages on tap, it's very simple to make your own soda water because you've got CO2, you've got water, you've got kegs. Very simple. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.